How to manage getting paid settings on your creator page account on Patreon. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to patreon.com. I'm gonna refresh the page. So this is the home page. Now go to your creator account right here in the top corner, and after you go to your creator page, here all what you have to do now is click on edit your page. After you click on it, now all what you have to do is click on getting paid, and right here you will be able to manage your getting paid settings. You have the payment schedule, the currency, you can change it from here, the edit, you can edit the payout method from here, and it's so easy as you can see. If this video was helpful for you, I hope you leave a like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later, and thank you so much.